Hello again, lovely people. We'll be looking at exponential equations today. For today, we have an exponential equation that involves factorization. How do we know that it involves factorization? Now, when you have exponents, remember that the laws of exponents has to do with multiplication, where they told us that if we have two bases with different exponents multiplying each other, all we need to do is to add their exponents. Or if they are dividing each other, subtract their exponents. But in this case, they are not multiplying, they are not dividing. So when we have this type of case where we have subtraction or addition, then we know that it involves factorization. Now we have solved for x if 3 exponent x plus 3 minus 3 exponent x plus 1 equals to 24. What do we do to factorize? We have different methods of factorization. We have the common factor, we have difference of two squares, trinomial, cubic, and the grouping. So we will have to figure out which one works. Here we have 3 as a base on this side, 3 as a base on this side. We have x and x. So let's try the common factor first. How do we get a common factor out of this? What we do with such exponents is we break them down and take them back to where they came from. It's like having this outside here, a to the power of m plus n. We take it back to where it came from, the original. So we will take this back. These exponents came from 3 exponent x times 3 exponent 3. That is why we are able to add it. So instead of going forward, this time around we are going backward so that we can get a common factor to factorize with. Now we have minus, we do the same thing on this side, 3 exponent x and 3 exponent 1, that's where it came from. Now, on either side of the minus sign, we will see that we have 3 exponent x, which will serve as our common factor in this case. So if I have 3 exponent x, common factor, here and here, if we take out here 3 exponent x into the first section, will give us 3 exponent 3, which is 27. Minus 3 exponent x, the common factor into this section, 3 exponent x, we cancel out 3 exponent x, we are left with 3 equals to 24. Now what next? 3 exponent x, we have, remember 27, minus 3 is 24. What do? This number, please do not make the mistake of multiplying exponents with ordinary numbers. If an ordinary number is attached to an exponent, treat that ordinary number as a coefficient. So in this case, 24 will serve as a coefficient. So if we divide either side by 24, we will have 3 exponent x is equals to 1. Now, according to the laws of exponents, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Because we are dealing with the base of 3, we will take this to the base of 3 also. We get the equivalent substitute there. And with that equivalent substitute, we can get back to the final answer. So the value of this x in this case is 0. For this expression to be valid, x has to be 0. And that is how we go through this type of problem. Remember, whenever you have a plus or a minus, the best approach and the only approach is to think of factorization, take them back to where they came from, factorize, break down, apply the laws of exponents, and you will get to the final answer. Please don't forget to ask questions, and I'm willing to help. Keep on sharing. God bless you.